how to make specific group notifications vibrate shorts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make specific group notifications vibrate shorts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find select any group you want like this one, and then click on group profile, and here you will find this one, custom notifications. Click on it and then just click here, vibrate, and make it short, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.